Cloud AI APIs are making business automation faster and smarter than ever before. Companies can now connect AI services directly into apps, websites, and workflows without building everything from scratch. So in this guide, I'll show you how to automate workflows with Cloud AI APIs in 2026. First, let's quickly understand what Cloud AI APIs actually are. Basically, APIs allow your applications to communicate with cloud-based AI services for tasks like text analysis, image recognition, predictions, chatbots, and automation. Next, choose a cloud provider that offers AI APIs. Popular choices include Google Cloud AI APIs, Microsoft Azure AI Services, and Amazon Web Services Machine Learning APIs. Now create a cloud project or workspace where your APIs and automation tools will be managed. This helps organize permissions, billing, and services in one place. Before using the system in production, test everything carefully. Check if the APIs respond correctly, workflows trigger properly, and automation results are accurate. And that's your full guide on how to automate workflows with Cloud AI APIs in 2026. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of how businesses use cloud-based AI services to automate processes and improve productivity.